XRP is on its way to its potential all-time high. Can it really reach the $4 mark? What's driving prices up? Watch till the end to find out how this will double your money. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure to enable all your notifications to our channel to keep up with all the hottest secrets in the world of XRP. Without further ado, let's dive in. Following its exploration of every nook and cranny of the financial environment, Bitcoin is now focusing on asset-based models. Digital tokens are expanding to become a security and day-to-day payment paradigm, particularly in Asian countries. Many firms such as MasterCard are cooperating with crypto traders to offer disruptive payment ways as a result of the increased usage. Ripple and its relationships to central financial institutions appear as the greatest alternative for investors at a time when both Bitcoin usage and staking are on the rise. Ripple Labs was rumored to be seeking to establish a market-making platform in mid-September 2021. According to a source familiar with the situation, Ripple was hiring up to 10 employees, including a crypto trader with experience arbitraging between several exchanges and a marketing executive tasked with establishing partnerships with liquidity providers and exchanges. Ripple was also discovered to be interviewing for a position as an institutional markets analyst. Ripple's goal of an Internet of Value necessitates digital asset efficiency and a vibrant crypto market, and robust liquidity is a critical component of making that vision a reality, according to the job offer. Ripple's intentions for a market-making platform were disputed by a spokesman. Nearly 2 months later, the XRP developer and blockchain expert announced the opening of Ripple Liquidity Hub. BTC, ETH, LTC, ETC, BCH, and XRP will be supported at first. Ripple intends to offer new features in the future, such as staking and yield generation.
Awesome.
Ripple's platform is already well known for its ease of use. However, in order to streamline its services even more, Ripple is launching the Ripple Liquidity Hub in 2022. In preview mode, the new feature is already available. Crypto consumers will be able to access a number of worldwide venues, ranging from market makers to exchanges, OTC desks, and decentralized models now that the new advancement is on track. Customers will be able to buy, sell, and keep crypto assets with ease thanks to the new add-on integration and smart order routing, which will allow them to source digital assets at optimal pricing. Ripple, on the other hand, isn't the first company to use the Liquidity Hub software. The platform has been using the capability for internal liquidity management for nearly 2 years, powering millions of transactions worth billions of dollars. Ripple Liquidity Hub allows businesses to offer their customers the opportunity to purchase, sell, and hold digital assets at the best available prices across a variety of venues. In 2022, Ripple will make the application available to everyone, including financial institutions, banks, fintech companies, and corporations, in order to assist them in supporting the oncoming crypto asset revolution. Based on popularity and usage, the Ripple price will skyrocket once this feature is fully implemented. On the weekly chart, the XRP price has established a tremendously bullish chart pattern, indicating an optimistic aim for Ripple near $4. Investors should keep in mind, however, that the dominant technical pattern is still developing, and only a key closure over $1.95 will unlock the token's enormous potential. Before a breakout, investors can expect a bullish increase in Ripple's market value.
Well, that's good news.
Since September 6, the price of XRP has had 2 lower highs and 3 higher lows. An asymmetrical triangle emerges when trend lines are used to connect these swing points. By measuring the distance between the first swing high and swing low to the breakout point, this technical setup predicts a 37% gain. The price of XRP is currently hanging close over the symmetrical triangle's lower borderline. Ripple will be propelled to the immediate resistance barrier at $1.12 if it bounces off this level. If this level is breached, XRP will rise to $1.26, a 20% increase from $1.03. If the price of XRP can close above $1.26 on a daily basis, it will have developed a directional bias and verified a breakout. The symmetrical triangle setup predicts a 37% upswing to $1.73 in this situation. which is calculated by adding the distance between the initial swing high and swing low to the breakout point. However, investors should wait for secondary confirmation, which will come if the XRP price successfully converts the $1.31 to $1.41 supply zone into a support floor. While the positive view is feasible, it is contingent on the XRP price closing above the upper trend line at $1.26 on a daily basis. Given the crypto market's gloomy outlook, investors should proceed with caution and remain on the sidelines after the initial upthrust to $1.12 and $1.26. A drop in the price of BTC to $53,000 will almost certainly lead to a drop in the price of XRP. Market participants can expect Ripple to go below the $1 psychological level in this case. A daily closure below this level confirms a bearish breakthrough and sets the stage for a 37% drop to 65 cents. While the potential aim seems bleak, the 3-day demand zone, which spans 70 cents to 78 cents, is likely to absorb incoming selling pressure and prevent a further decline. Since launching the complaint against Ripple Labs in December 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission has been under severe scrutiny.
Do you have any evidence to support this conclusion, Mr. Finch?
Despite the fact that the agency's job is to regulate elements of the financial ecosystem, the tables have turned, and the regulator is now being scrutinized more closely, specifically for suspicions of double standards. Attorney John Deaton, who represents over 60,000 XRP holders who have been given amicus curiae status in the XRP litigation, has revealed a fact that could be viewed as the SEC applying a double standard. Since December 2020, the financial watchdog has had XRP delisted from US cryptocurrency exchanges, an action that has enraged many market participants and industry executives, and understandably so, as no exchange wants to upset a regulator that is so easily triggered into enforcement actions in the crypto space. In the SEC versus Ripple case, XRP and Ethereum holders are not on opposing sides, contrary to popular opinion. Proponents of the XRP army believe that Ripple's victory will have a favorable impact on the wider cryptocurrency market. Investors in the United States have been clamoring for XRP to be relisted, and the demand is growing. The SEC, on the other hand, does not appear to be willing to move on the issue, and neither the digital asset exchanges nor the SEC is willing to risk having the SEC knock on their door over the addition of XRP to their offering. With this, we have come to an end. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. We all know that the crypto market is highly volatile, and by the time you watch this video, the prices would have changed to a whole new level, so all the financial decisions should be made after doing your wide-spectrum research. Will it be able to reach the $4 mark? Where do you think the prices of XRP will go from here? Also, make sure that you like this video, comment down your thoughts regarding this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated about the latest crypto news.